Si Tinon ng laro, hindi ko makita.
Interface po.
Mountain, nag-dismount yung iba. Nag-dismount yung iba.
Oo nga, interface na.
Going to castle, guys.
Food up.
Wag mo.
Go OC first.
Bilang.
Don't OC first. Wait.
Food up lang.
Food up, only food up, only food, only.
I-reset ko na nga lang.
It's surrounding the
Going east side. They're going east side. They're going east side.
East.
Just walk there.
They're hitting here. On the east side. This is a good place. Healer send on the wall.
Yo, be ready. Engaging south. Hey, wait.
Cool down pa,
Engaging southeast now. Engaging southeast 25.
2 seconds. Okay, ready?
OC mo na.
Offensive ka.
Yo, look at this mark. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Wala mga healer yan, ha.
Offensive duty ko, defensive na lang yung...
Cycle.
Energy.
Tell me if you're ready.
Wait lang.
5 seconds, ID. 5.
5 seconds.
Ready.
Wait lang ah.
Sige.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Yo,
Keep
engaging.
fighting.
East deep, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East deep now. Be ready to the front, okay? Be ready to the front.
Okay, naka-ready. Nag-engage na?
Nag-engage siya.
Okay, sige lang.
5 seconds, IC ulit. 5 seconds. Ready na,
Engage ka,
ready.
IC. Pwede ako
Yo,
makulit.
engage southwest, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Suck, bro.
Cycle.
Cycle on the heart, bro, please.
Mababasag na,
Wala
10%.
ako.
Sige lang. Hold northeast, go northeast. Hold lang dyan, hold lang.
Kahit pumasok sila, mamamatay sila.
Sige lang. Yo, inch up.
Sige lang, defensive.
Ready, ready.
Defensive.
Ready,
Okay.
counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, counter na.
Nabok na.
Sige lang. Get inside. Yo, one healer, focus on me, okay?
Yeah, I'm focusing on you.
Sige lang, get in.
Justice ba yung ano nila? Setter.
Ay, ho, against Earth Room.
Ready, IC, ready.
Ready lang.
Dash.
Nag-engage.
Counter ready, 5, 4, southeast 3, 2, 1, counter na. Nice kill.
Nice kill, guys.
Loot, please.
I do it.
Kailangan, nagulot ako dito.
Tell me if you're ready again.
Ready.
Okay, lumabas. Mukhang naramdaman nila ang sakit.
Yo, go northeast tower.
Holding sila, holding.
Yung DPS nila parang southeast side ng tower. Southeast
Sige lang.
side ng tower.
Yo, engaging northeast ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast now, hit this one. Nice kill.
Focus na lang, lulot lang ako. Sige lang, huwag ako lalahanin. Kaya mo sila, engage ka sa akin. Tatlong buwan ko pa ako mapapatay.
Tell me if you're ready again.
Still 9 this area. Still 9
Ready,
this.
ready.
Yo,
Ready.
same position, ready in 5. Wait, never mind. Baba kayo dyan.
I think sila sa
Lumalayo.
Letting south.
Na, guys.
Oh, pa-southwest.
Pinapalabas tayo ng mga yan, ha?
Sige lang, hold lang.
Kapalag naman open world eh.
Inch up a bit.
Sige, magpapabait ako sa
Hey,
engage.
blood northeast. Blood
No, yo,
northeast.
get inside.
Alam natin yan. Pag lumabas
Scavenger
na.
na
Ilan
tayo.
na hindi sa nila.
Yo, mantap.
No, never say never.
I never say never. Kaya to.
Sige lang, hold muna tayo sa gitna.
Bobo naman yun siya eh. Itong never say never yung problema.
Sige lang, dismount here.
Kahit din sila, kahit.
You have the
Okay,
gate
kailangan ko
here,
na
bro.
mag-OC. Dalawa na kalaban natin. Down nag-OC dun eh.
Yo, follow me.
Tatlo, meron sa likod. Ano yung blob sa likod?
I'm gonna
Never
focus
say
on you,
never.
bro.
Creed International papuntang
Dismounted
southeast
pa din
side
sila
ng
dito.
castle.
Saan tayo pa-focus sa tingin nyo?
Just wait, just
Ah,
wait.
magsasalubong sila kung
Malis
tutuloy
na,
yung
malis na.
ano, Creed.
Diba?
Hindi.
Stay in Creed sa southwest.
Walang-
Never say never, yung never say never nagdadalawang isip. Ay, nag-dismounted, never say never. Dismounted na si,
Follow me,
ano,
follow me.
si Piawa yung caller nila, Piawa. Eh, naka-Earth Throne, 6-3.
Gawin na.
Papasok ka dito, papasok ka dito.
Hold, hold.
Hindi mo bing...
Offensive na ako dito, ay, mahilig sa headbutt yan, gagong yan eh.
Sige lang.
Ano si Tite? Ang late ng mark ni Tite.
Kaya lang, IC. Wait lang ah.
Okay na.
Yo, def.
Gago!
Yo, ready. Southeast.
Focus ko yan.
4, 3, 2, 1, southeast now.
Umalis kayo sa wall.
Stay away from the wall.
Need the party, someone.
Wala yung...
Defend.
Tell me if you're ready again.
Ready.
Northeast gate, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast gate now.
Headbutt sila?
Bilang sa headbutt. Wala pa naman akong GA. Fuck.
Namatay yung tank natin.
Wala, healer si Master. Healer.
To the wall, stick to
Si
the wall.
Rafael, namatay.
Wala tayong blight ah, wala tayong blight. Hindi,
Ano na pa yung namatay sila.
Ready, ready.
I see yung Creed, ano na ha, second place na yung Creed dito ah.
Come
Come to the middle. I think
Unahin natin
middle.
itong mga to.
One shot ako, boy.
You ready?
Pinag-ubiwan lang talaga tayo niyan.
J, ikaw na J.
Ready, engaging on the J now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage now.
kami lahat.
Batang offensive guard room.
Ako, offensive nyo boy. Ako, offensive nyo. Shadow deep plus yun.
Cycle.
Ready IC, ready ulit.
Basta patingin lang ng is.
Sa pang GA ko sa mga.
Binabasag nila yung suicide.
Sige lang.
Binabasag nila yung
English,
suicide.
English.
Over the
English,
wall. Wait. Left. Yo, follow me. Yo, engaging west side ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage us now.
Both second gate and suicide, both second gate and suicide bombed already.
Sige lang.
O, papangko sila sa gitna. Hindi ako pwede.
Hindi nila tinuloy yung suicide. Hindi nila suicide.
Hindi nila tinuloy, pinasok nila yung second gate.
Over the
Yo, care.
Defend.
Yo, ready after the J, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it is 1 now.
Laki niya, no?
God, takip. Cycle. Ito ang gawin natin.
Wala na.
Focus tayo sa one side.
Southwest.
Bonk na yung west side. Tell me if you're ready.
3 seconds.
6 seconds.
Ready. Focus tayo.
Ready.
Focus tayo dito.
Okay,
Lalabas tayo. Labas kayo dyan.
Ready sila to engage, ready to engage.
Push out, we have to push
Click
out.
nyo na to. Lago boy, patay si Usonan.
Walk in.
Pero boy, walang nakatingin doon.
Pawis na kasi kami.
Pawis na, ayaw nyo makinig kay ano
Pawis na kami.
Lalabas na kami.
You look southwest. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest now. Wala. Sige lang, walk lang. Keep walking.
Engage.
Left. Patay si Ate. Sige lang, pahil.
Puta ko mga kalalupan nyo,
Labas tayo. Tell me if you're ready again.
8 seconds.
Pwede tayo dumaan sa east side, may ikutan natin sila, di tayo maipit.
Kamis.
need to push
Stay away
out.
from the walls.
Alis lang sa wall.
Kamis. Stay away from the walls.
Defend.
Away from the walls, guys. Away from the walls.
Wala na ako. Nakain ako.
Hinahabol ka, dalawa na yan.
Sige lang, kamis.
Mount
Tutulong ko si Adam.
Mount up those that can. Mount
Sige lang.
up those
Buhay
that
pa si Adam.
Mount up.
Let them fight, we can let them.
Nakuha ko spike ni Sonan, Rimebreaker ni Argel.
Guys, if we're playing castle, always stick to the walls. Always stick to the wall.